Hello, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install Curseforge and play with mods on Minecraft. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So, if you want to play mods on a single player server with Curseforge, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do that. So, the first thing you want to do is go into any Google search bar, any search browser, such as Google, which I'm going to be using, and you're going to want to search Curseforge. Once you go to their website, which should look like this, you should see a button in the top right corner that says Get Curseforge app. You're going to go ahead and click that, and you're going to download it on whatever you want. Downloading it on Overwolf means you're going to download it with a separate platform as well. If you just want to download Curseforge and not anything else, then you're gonna click download standalone, which is what I'm gonna do. So once you've done that, once it is done installing, you can go ahead and exit your browser and go into your files. You're gonna go into your downloads and find your Curseforge Windows installer, or whatever it is. So I'm gonna then open it by double clicking or by right clicking and then clicking open, and it should present this screen. Welcome to Curseforge. You can select your language here, and then you can select other stuff like that, and it's gonna install it. I already have it installed, but when you do have it installed, the app should look like this. So, I'm going to teach you guys how to get a mod pack. A mod pack is what it sounds like. Basically, similar to a texture pack, it is a pack that includes mods. So, I'm going to go ahead and go to the home page and select a game. I'm going to go to Minecraft because that's of course what game we're going to be playing. I'm going to click Create, and then we're going to name whatever mod pack we want it to be. You can name your mod pack whatever you want. For an example, I'm going to name it Tutorial. And then you're going to select your Minecraft version. I highly recommend going to the mod you want first, and then seeing what version your mod is supported on, before selecting the Minecraft version in your Curseforge texture pack, or mod pack, sorry. So, I'm going to be using the latest version, which is 1.21.4. And for game type, Forge, Fabric, Quilt, Neoforge, or Vanilla. I recommend just using Forge or Fabric, but whichever one your mod pack supports. Sorry. So, you can also change the profile picture, but that doesn't really matter. So, we're going to click Create, and it should have this little screen where it should be installing your mod pack. Now, while it is, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about Curseforge. Curseforge is basically like a Minecraft launcher, but where you can launch your mods. And that's basically the whole point. So, once this is done, which I will cut to. Alright, now that our Curseforge mod pack has been successfully installed, we're going to then click Add More Content. Now you can search for any mod you'd like and install it. Now, if there's a mod that you want that's not on their list, well, then I'm going to show you guys how to install your mod. So, you're going to go ahead and go into your Google search and download your mod. So, let's say that we download our mod, okay? Which, for the tutorial, I'm going to pretend that this folder is our mod. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to go into Curseforge and click the three little dots on our mod pack. Then you're going to click Open Folder, And now you're going to go into the mods section. As you can see, my folder is empty because we have not added any mods yet. Go ahead and drag your mod pack into the mods folder. Once you have done that, you can go ahead and close this. And do not delete it like I did. I only did that for the tutorial purpose. So then, once you close it, it should show up right in here, your new mod. If in this case it doesn't show on my end because I didn't put a mod in, but for the sake of it, I'll add gecko lid. So, once you've done that, it should pop up here. And now, you can click play. Once you've done that, it should open up the Minecraft launcher. Alright, once you have opened the Minecraft launcher, you can go over to here, and if the name, which in this case is tutorial, is the exact same name as your mod pack name, tutorial, then you have selected the correct mod pack and have done all the previous steps correctly so far. Now, as you can see, it says that this installation has been modified and might not support the latest player safety features. All it's saying is that there are some mods in there, and that it might not work with the version, and I don't really actually know, I'm not an expert here. But what it's saying is it's modded, of course, so there are some features in there that might propose a threat. Obviously, they're not going to have any features in there that propose a threat. If you installed a mod that is, of course, not a threat, you shouldn't have installed this game. So yeah. Anyways, you can go ahead and then click play, and you can load up Minecraft. Then you can go into the single player, and then you create a new world with the mod pack installed. So which we already have. So then we create a new world, and in that world we should have all the mods installed, which in this case is gecko lid. Now, a quick bonus on how to play with your friends, because I've had some trouble, playing with my friends on LAN worlds and single player. So of course, if you do not have the money to make a server, then simply what you can do is add a simple mod in here that's named Essentials, and I find it very, very, very helpful when trying to play with my friends. So you can search up Essentials, and of course we gotta do it here. Alright, so anyways, it doesn't pop up here, so of course you have to download it on here, and I'll have a link in the description to the Curseforge download, and as well as the Essentials download. So really quickly, I'm gonna just show you that Essentials mod looks like this. This is the Essentials mod, so you can download it and then just put it in your mod folder the same way I showed you at the start of the video. And then you just click play. So guys, thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and if this was helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video, and I will consider making more tutorials. I'll see you next time.